everyone. Today I'm doing the Artsy Second Sunday hop, and our prompts were hearts and feathers, depending on what you wanted to do. So I'm just kind of combine things. I'm doing this in my journal that is a black sketch pad. What I did is I used some clear gesso, which didn't seem to really um, do much for this uh, as far as clear goes. But I'm going to put some white on the background, and then I'm going to kind of draw something in here. Um, but anyways, I would like for you to visit all the other people that are in the hop, and you'll see that in my information section. Um, we can watch everyone's videos because I'll tell you what, there's some amazing artists here that are worth watching, and it's very enjoyable. So I hope that you uh, stay tuned and continue to watch everyone. Leave comments for us because that helps our analytics. Give us a thumbs up. That helps also with the analytics. And make some comments there. And it's always nice to have the comments and things like that. So today I'm going to actually be painting in acrylic. Um, so I have my little Stay Wet palette, and we're going to start here. And you're not going to hear me now. Things are just going to be um, just quiet watching me speed things up, and we'll see how it all goes. I was looking for some water, but I can't seem to find my water bottle right now. So I'm going to go and look for that, and I will be back. Okay, here I come. So let's get started. Okay, there we have it. A gnome. Let me just clean this little piece right here. It was where the clip was. And just kind of giving it a little bit more oomph here. Okay. Little highlights in some places. Yeah, so I think some of this should be highlighted also, but just kind of rubbing it in there. Also, like, it's hard to see the feathers because of the dark background, but I'm just gonna see if I can highlight some of these just a tad, kind of giving it an idea that this is feathers here. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like for you to give me a thumbs up, because the more thumbs up I get, the better my analytics are. And tell me if you liked the painting. I hope you did, so give me a thumbs up. He's a cute little gnome. Just love gnomes for some reason. I don't know, but I thought he was kind of neat. Anyways, so, and be sure to check out all the people that are in this little hop. So, and give them a thumbs up, because there's a lot of talented people here, and we really enjoy doing this. And Ayla, I probably didn't say that right, who created this hop. And then we have another one coming up. It's the third Saturday. And everybody kind of posts at one time, so you have to kind of go through. If you like what we do, you just go through and give us thumbs up. Just check us out. It's a lot of fun. And we enjoy all these things that we do. I know that the girls do. You can tell by what they do that they love what they do. So hopefully you enjoyed this. And until next time, bye. Bye. Bye-bye.